What is up, guys? Done this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT slowing and lagging. So the first solution is to just simply right click on these three dots or left click, and then you need to simply open a new private window or new incognito mode. And then in this new incognito mode, you need to open ChatGPT. So this might solve the issue of slowing and lagging. So the first option was to open the ChatGPT in incognito mode. And the second one is to just simply close this or open ChatGPT or just simply type in OpenAI in the new tab and then just simply close the older one and click ChatGPT from here or OpenAI from here. And then here you will see the ChatGPT has been loaded and the new version of GPT-5 is here. So you can just simply access the new versions of GPT-2. So these were the two ways that you can fix the slowing and lagging of ChatGPT. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.